What? You never cooked steaks in the parking lot of the hotel before? Cheers. Oh yeah, I'm right here on the highway. I'm in Atlanta for a business meeting. So hey, you know what? I could go across the street, eat at a fancy restaurant, and put it on my corporate American Express card, or I could eat some steaks that I had marinating at home and I brought with me. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have me a beer, have me a steak. Doesn't cost the company a dime. People look at me like, what's that guy doing cooking his dinner out in the parking lot? Anyway, I put my second steak on. These are small steaks, you can see. But I might as well just go ahead and eat this one, and then I'll wait for that one to get done. In case I don't mention it, I'll be using my my Todd Parnaby bushcraft / cooking knife and my Civil War era stag handled carbon steel fork. Ha ha! Mm. Good stuff. Mm. Mm. Should turn this other one over. This is my cool 40s or 50s era made in the USA national cold handle carbon steel pan Cheesehead Chris gave me. That's been a couple years now. I love it. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. I hope that somebody didn't call the fire department. Anyway, hey, just a short video, kind of show you sometimes what I do during the middle of the week, you know? Anyway, I keep all this stuff in here. All that stuff's in there all the time, except for when I put it in my truck, you know, go off on the weekends. But anyway, thanks for joining me. And hey boss, if you're watching this, I just saved you probably 25 bucks, you know. I'm just saying. See ya.